Did you know Michael Jackson destroyed his friendship with Paul McCartney by using his own advice against him? In the early 80s, McCartney taught Jackson about music publishing as a smart investment. He explained how owning song catalogs could make more money than performing. Jackson listened carefully, taking mental notes about this goldmine. When the Beatles catalog went up for sale in 1985, both friends became rivals. McCartney bid conservatively, thinking his former bandmates' songs would come to him naturally. But Jackson shocked the music world by outbidding him with $47.5 million. The ultimate irony, Jackson used profits from Billie Jean to buy Yesterday and Let It Be. McCartney felt completely betrayed, ending their friendship forever. But here's the most incredible part. That single purchase made Jackson more money than his entire recording career. The Beatles' royalties earned him over $500 million over the years. One business move turned a student into the master.